Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be moving her hand-tied extensions up and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So stay tuned. So I want to show you guys how it grows out and how it should grow out. Very healthy and no tangles up at the top. So this is what 10 weeks of a grow out looks like. Super healthy, no tears in her hair, and no bald spots. So now that we're done with the second row, we're gonna go to the final and last row. And this is what the 10-week grow out on the top row looks like. So it grows down about an inch and it should be super loose, no tangles on the top, and no bald spots on the part line. And that's what a healthy grow out looks like. Alright, so we just got done sewing in the hair, and this is what the top row looks like. Alright, so this is the final result of the 10-week move up. As you can see, everything is nice and tight and up to the part. And this will be good for another 10-ish weeks. And she's had her hair for a little over 6 months now. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.